Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and wallet management. Today, we're tackling a common issue: how to cancel a pending transaction on Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you handle those annoying stuck transactions with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Trust Wallet installed on your device. In 2025, Trust Wallet has some updated features for better security and user experience, so updates are key. Open the app and head to your dashboard. You'll see your wallet overview. Look for the Transactions tab at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in the Transactions section, scroll through your history until you find the pending transaction you want to cancel. It should be marked with a pending status. Tap on that transaction to open its details. Here, you'll see options like Speed Up or Cancel. If Cancel is available, go ahead and select it. Remember, not all transactions can be canceled once they've started confirming on the blockchain, so act fast. After selecting Cancel, you'll be prompted to confirm your action. Double-check the transaction details to make sure you're canceling the right one. Trust Wallet might ask for your wallet password or biometric verification for security reasons. Go ahead and authenticate. Once confirmed, the app will process the cancellation, which could take a few minutes depending on the network congestion. A quick tip: always keep an eye on gas fees and network status before sending transactions to avoid this situation. If the cancellation doesn't work, you might need to wait for the transaction to fail naturally or contact Trust Wallet support. There you have it. That's how you cancel a pending transaction on Trust Wallet in 2025. It's a straightforward process, but always stay cautious with your crypto assets. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there in the crypto world.